Hey everyone, today we're going to discuss the macOS Sequoia features in 2024, which are the new ones. As you can see, we're on the official Apple website. So the first thing is we are going to use wirelessly iPhone mirroring, which is honestly something they should have done very earlier, but I'm glad they did it. Big updates come to Safari, and one of them is highlights, which will be an easier way to discover information, directions, summaries, things like that. As you can see, it is giving you a small preview of that. Gaming is even better. How? They're putting new titles like Prince of Persia, The Lost Crown, Assassin's Creed is coming. Damn, it has been time. Resident Evil series, including Resident Evil 7, Biohazard, and 2 is coming, as you can see. And oh, nice, World of Warcraft is also coming, as you can see, a lot of them. A more immersive gaming experience, which will be done through the personalized spatial audio. And then you can see their gaming porting toolkit 2, the part 2 is coming, which is honestly feels good. Window tiling is easier and faster than ever. As you can see, they've put a demo over here, like you can move them and do stuffs like that. Video conferencing gets more updates. As you can see, like whenever you share something beforehand, you're gonna get a preview what your screen will look like to the people. The new password app keeps credentials secure and organized. Thank goodness. As you can see, it's showing over here. Apple Intelligence ushers in the next chapter of AI on Mac. So what that means is, as you can see here, a email has been written, and you can choose whether you want the tone to be friendly, professional, concise, which limits the use of other external AI softwares. As you can see, new image capabilities make communication and self-expression even more fun, and you can create playful images like so. We also have memories in photos, which will let you create stories however you want to. And some other would be messages have new updates like text effects, emoji, sticker, and an ability to schedule a message to send later. Honestly, you can literally use this for like birthday. Like you don't have to even remember someone's birthday. You just schedule it for 12 a.m. sharp that day. Damn, a lot of people are gonna take use of it. There would be Apple Maps introducing more ways to explore this world, including curated hikes and custom walking routes. That would be very much helpful. Photos will surface collections, which automatically organizes a user's library by helpful themes. That would also be helpful. Notes is getting smarter. Okay, how are we gonna do this? New audio transcription and summarization. This would also be good. Updated calculator lets users see previous calculations with history and gives them the ability to see their expressions as they type. This should have been done so long ago. Calendar shows events and tasks from reminders, making it easy. Thank you to see and edit the updates, and these are all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you and subscribe for more tutorials like this.